Welcome to our channel. Today, we're sharing 3 powerful money-making tips that can transform your financial situation and set you on the path to success. Let's jump right in. Tip 1. Invest in yourself. The best investment you can ever make is in yourself. Whether it's through education, skills development, or personal growth, investing in yourself will yield the highest returns in the long run. Take the time to learn new skills, expand your knowledge, and hone your talents. Remember, you are your greatest asset. Tip 2. Start a side hustle. Host, in today's gig economy, there are endless opportunities to monetize your passions and talents. Starting a side hustle can supplement your income and even turn into a full-fledged business. Get creative and leverage platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, or Upwork to showcase your skills and connect with clients worldwide. Tip 3. Embrace passive income. Host, passive income is the holy grail of financial freedom. It allows you to earn money with minimal effort, giving you the freedom to focus on what truly matters to you. Explore opportunities such as real estate investments, dividend-paying stocks, or creating digital products like ebooks or online courses. Until next time, stay empowered and keep chasing your dreams. Bye for now. And there you have it, 3 powerful money-making tips to help you unlock financial freedom and live life on your own terms. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights on personal finance.